Hey guys, today's video is going to be pretty quick. I just want to show you a cool website remodel skill that I picked up. I actually came across it a while ago, but I saved it down. I just haven't used it yet until recently when I'm kind of upset with my current website. So I wanted to try remodeling it, and this is what I came up with. So as you can see, it looks very professional. It did this completely in one shot, and I didn't even have to reiterate or anything. All I did was give the link of my original website, and I told it, hey, keep all the data, keep everything the same, and just make it better. And you can see there's moving parts now, and it looks like I paid for this website, if I'm being honest. Like, it's just a very clean design. This was the original website that I had, very boxy layout. You could obviously see that it's very AI templated, and now I don't know, like you guys tell me if you could tell the difference, if you would consider this AI built. As the technology gets better, obviously this is going to be like the new normal. So I just want to get you guys to stay ahead and see what's out there. Okay, I'm just going to head on over to White Plains, Google Maps, and I'm going to search up, what should we look for? Let's do HVAC centers. Let's try Robinson. Okay, not bad, but I think this is a perfect example of what AI could just make 10 times better. So I'm going to head on over to my Claude Code setup, and I'm going to say, use the website remodel skill and make this website better. And I just gave the link. I'm going to toggle that to bypass mode. I'm going to let that run while I explain what I did. Okay, just to give you guys context, originally I was using Hostinger AI and I was paying 20 a month to host it as well as do constant prompts and reiterations, but it was mostly just a template. And honestly, all the websites that went through Hostinger AI would end up looking the same. So if anyone else was using Hostinger AI, you couldn't tell the difference to mine other than the brand and the colors, right? Now, with Claude Code and with this specific skill that I'm going to share with you guys, you can create up to 4 designs that look really high quality. Obviously, you could probably tweak it and create more designs, but within the skill, there's 4 designs that the person who created the skill originally really went into depth about, and it performs it really well. And it's completely free. I mean, technically, Claude Code costs money, but the way I'm hosting it using GitHub and Netlify and just connecting my domain, like the entire process basically costs nothing. The Claude Code can use the skill, scrape your old website, and rebuild it from scratch, and then you push it off to GitHub by creating a free repository, and it could connect to GitHub with an API key, so you could push it all by itself. And then you deploy it on Netlify, which is a free hosting service, which can constantly push your GitHub updates. So let's say you push your website and you have something like this, but you want to change converts faster to converts quicker. So you tell Claude Code saying, hey, can you change that line and push it onto GitHub? It'll push it onto GitHub and that'll automatically deploy it on Netlify. So within a couple of minutes, your new version's up and running, and completely for free. For connecting your domain, it's as easy as buying a $10, $20 a year domain on Namecheap or GoDaddy, and then just changing 2 different records within there, and then changing 1 record within Netlify. And you could just ask Claude Code, hey, what do you need me to change? And it'll walk you through step by step, and then you have your entire website live within under an hour. It probably took me close to like 30, 40 minutes just to figure out, since this was my first time pushing stuff to GitHub and connecting to Netlify. But the main things that I had to reiterate was just getting the logo to be perfect, and then as well as having the contact section work, because I needed to make sure my email was connected, my group email was connected, so when messages got sent, it actually was following through. And the demo page, because for this I had to connect my Retail AI API link, so that way people can actually call it and test out the voice agent. So a little bit of extra work. But now I'm going to show you guys a couple of other websites as well as the website skill itself. So this is it. I'm going to share this Google Doc. Let's go back and see if that demo version was done. Okay, so it's asking me for questions. Do a clean and corporate look. Keep it in a demo atlas folder somewhere where I can discard it later. Like I said, there's 4 built-in designs. So I'm going to show you guys a better example of that. So here's a couple of businesses, small businesses in my local area that I pulled, and I ran it through this website remodel skill before hopping on a video, just to give you guys more examples. And here we have an HVAC center, Scylla, and honestly the website's pretty clean, but if you run it through, this is what we get, and you could tell it's a lot cleaner. Obviously some of these images need more personalization, and you could probably put a picture of like the team at Scylla or the local area, the service area, but I would still say like this is a lot cleaner than the original website, and it wouldn't take much work to get this like running up and running. Here's a dentist clinic in the local area, and you can see it's very gray, plain. It's a very old, back in the day type of website, and when we transform it, trusted for 60 years, family dentistry, White Plains, New York, book an appointment. We go down, we can say how many years, how many smiles have been treated, patient rating, Like this is amazing. The fact that it could just one shot this without any reiterations or anything, and it's just creating like a clean ass website. Let's take a barbershop. So it's not bad, right? But obviously, like you could tell, like it's not great either. I think the work speaks for itself. Like it's a crazy skill. I want you guys to test it out. Like this is amazing how it could just one shot this, give services. Like it makes up stuff, but like it fits with the business model, right? Here's a nail salon that was created on Wix, and you could just tell that it's very boxy. It's very like it's not very clean. And here's the output of the website remodel skill. Nails are as art, and then yeah, enough said. But this is the website remodel skill. I'm gonna drop this down below for you guys to use. Just know, so when a new skill is added into your Claude Code section, this is what's going to be going into your Claude MD file. So it's not going to take up much text, and it'll know, okay, whenever you want to remodel a website or make this site better, it's going to pull the rest of the skill. And like I said before, these are the 4 designs that it has available to itself right now. But obviously you can add to that and create more designs and make this skill your own, right? And that should be the goal of all these really popular skills online right now. You should add your own element to it and make the skill even better. Okay, going back to that Excali drawing board, I just want to let you guys know the loop is just prompting in Claude, pushing to GitHub, Netlify auto deploys, and the site is live within seconds. Just to give you guys more context, those 4 demos that I just showed you, I asked Claude how long it took in total to redesign these websites, and it was able to do it within 15 to 20 minutes. And that's only because it gave me 4 original outputs within the same design. So I wanted to showcase the other 3 designs, so I had it rebuild 3 from scratch. So the entire process took 20 minutes. Can you imagine that? 4 beautiful websites in 20 minutes, meaning each website took around 5 minutes. Theoretically, you could build out a whole process where you scrape small businesses in your local area, you feed their website link into Claude Code, it uses the website remodel skill, it builds out a beautiful website within 5 minutes, and then it even emails it off to them and asks them, hey, do you want this website? I'll sell it to you for $100. And that entire process can be automated nowadays. So like the power of this is insane. Let's go back to that demo that we created and let's see, it's voila, it's done. Hey, can you open it up for me in Chrome? And there you go. This was the original website. And this is what we got in the span of this video. Your complete home comfort partner, 100+ years in the business, all the reviews and services. I mean, I think you guys get the point. I'm not going to ramble on too long, but I'll probably end up sending these to the small businesses to see what they say. Maybe they want it, maybe they don't. Outside of that, I'll drop the skill down below. Enjoy building and drop a like if you guys end up using it. See you.